Gold has been treasured for thousands of years. But today, it's not just for kings and queens, I think it's for everyday investors too. The question is, should you invest in gold and precious metals? In this video, I'll break it down in simple steps, so you know exactly how to get started. Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today you'll learn what gold investing is all about, the different ways to invest, smart tips for beginners, and what to watch out for before you buy. Gold investing means putting part of your money into gold to protect and grow your wealth. Why? Because gold is a safe haven. It usually holds value when the economy gets shaky or inflation eats away at cash. There's more than one way to invest. Physical gold, bars, coins, or jewelry. You own it directly, but you'll need safe storage. Gold ETFs, funds you can buy on the stock market that track gold's price. No storage needed, just like buying a stock. Gold IRAs, retirement accounts that include gold, great for long-term savers. Gold futures, contracts to buy or sell gold at a set price later, advanced and risky, so not great for beginners. If you're starting out, set clear goals. Are you protecting against inflation or just diversifying? Begin with small, affordable amounts. Only buy from trusted sellers or platforms. Watch global events since they affect gold prices. Try digital gold options for a simple, low-cost entry. The pros? Gold protects against inflation, adds diversification, and holds value in tough times. The cons? Physical gold needs secure storage, fees can eat into returns, and advanced options like futures carry more risk. For beginners, the easiest path is physical gold or gold ETFs. They're simple, safe, and beginner-friendly. Would you invest in gold? Yay. Or do you prefer to stick with stocks? Comment below and let me know your take. So here's the recap. Gold investing helps protect wealth. You can invest it through physical gold, ETFs, or retirement accounts. Start small, buy from trusted sources, and know the pros and cons. Gold isn't about quick profits. It's about long-term security. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time on Grow My Saving, where we'll explore ETFs for beginners.